Hello YouTubers, let's see how we can make 8-way movement direction with just using 2 animations inside Godot. So here I have a basic character, and in my scene I have a basic scene with an animation tree in which the animation player is set to our character's animation player, and the root bone is set to our character's root bone, and also a root motion view so that we can see how our player is actually moving in the 3D space. Alright, so now in the animation tree, let's add the tree root as a blend tree, or you can add a state machine or some nested logics, but let's add a blend tree. And now in the animation tree, let's add a blend space 2D. So this will control our player's 4-way movement, and in this let's add our animations. So here I'll be mainly using 2 animations, the walk forward and walk right. So for walk forward, select this icon and here right click add animation, and I'll be just adding this standing walk forward, and then for the right one I will be adding this standing walk right, and at the backwards again we will add this standing walk forward, but we will play this animation in reverse, and for the left again the same standing walk right. Alright, so now you can select this left dot, and in the play mode you can just change it to backward, and for the back again you can select the back dot, and for the play you can just select backward. So now you can just quickly connect this blend space 2D to our output, and you will see that our player starts to move. So if I change this cursor to forward, the player moves forward. If I change it to right, the player moves right. If I change it to back, you can see in the root motion view it really helps us to see how our player is moving. So now you can see our player is moving backward, and for the left our player is actually moving left. Alright, so this is the 4-way movement with just 2 animations. Alright, now let's see how we can implement 8-way movement with just these 4 animations. So if we see our player in the diagonal movement, then the player legs starts breaking. So you can see the player legs are not actually moving in this direction, while our root motion node is saying that hey, our player is moving in this direction. Okay, so to fix that, what we can quickly do is just disconnect this node, and now you can select your animation player, and you can just either select the standing walk forward or standing walk right. In my case I'll select walk forward, and here the animation length is 1.2333. so we can just open up our animation tree blend space 2D, and here you need to change the length of all these animations. So you can just select forward, use custom timeline. The timeline length was 1.2333. Copy this up, and in the loop mode set it to linear. We'll do the same thing for our right, our back, and the left animation, and also make sure you turn on this sync. Alright, so now just connect this blend space 2D to our output, and let's try to see if it's working, and nope, it's still not working. So now to fix this, you can just select the animation tree. In the active, just uncheck this active and again check this active. So now you can see that the issue has been fixed. So now our player is actually moving in this direction with a proper leg movement, and you can see this happens with our walk diagonal. Walk left is proper, again this diagonal, player legs are properly moving. So this is how you can implement 8-way movement using just 2 animations. So this does not guarantee to work on all the animations. So the key point to work on the animation is you can just select the animation player. In the walk forward, you can see the player's left leg is moving first. So from back to front, the left leg is moving, and for the right, again the left leg is moving from left to right. So these both have same animations. Left leg is triggered first, so that's why the blend movement is proper. But sometimes your animation, the right leg may be moving first, and for the right animation your left leg will be moving first. So this can create a kind of glitch. So this does not guarantee for all, but yes, it do work based on how you make your animations. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you have any questions, you can comment me below. Do like the video, do comment, do subscribe, and always have a great day.